We're in the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican, which has tremendous importance to Catholicism. This is where the Pope will lead Mass, but perhaps most famously, this is the room that the College of Cardinals uses to decide the next Pope.
And every surface of this space is decorated.
The Sistine Chapel, Cappella Sistina in Italian, takes its name from the man who commissioned it, Pope Sixtus IV. Sixtus in Italian is Sisto. Sisto conducted the first Mass in the chapel on August 15, 1483. In 1508, Pope Julius II asked Michelangelo to repaint the ceiling.
He is revered as one of the greatest artists of all time. For centuries, he has typified the perfect artistic genius. His greatest legacy is the surviving works that we can see today. The Sistine Chapel, the Statue of David. Yet, behind the artworks lies a complex and stubborn man. And in this week's Biographics, we go beyond the facade to discover the real Michelangelo.
All who enter here gaze up at the luminous frescoes of Michelangelo. What few people know is that his masterpiece was an afterthought. When the chapel was constructed, the walls were filled with monumental murals. But the ceiling was just decorated with a simple field of stars.
Michelangelo may have lied down here and there, but more often than not, you would have seen Michelangelo painting standing up with his head turned up. Seriously, can you imagine how painful this would get after days, weeks, months, and even years of doing this? My neck just hurts thinking about it. Maybe this is why he was known to be pretty grumpy and antisocial.
All images of the judgment up to that time had God on a throne in the center, with angels and saints ranged along horizontal lines. Michelangelo again started an artistic revolution, developing his story along perpendicular axes.